Today, I'm thrilled to share one of my favorite tools for achieving human-like, realistic voiceovers on your faceless YouTube channel. Whether you're launching a faceless channel in 2024 or already established, this video offers an in-depth review of my top AI voices in the market. If you're aiming to boost your channel views and engagement, this is a must-watch. The tool on our list is Fliki AI. Simply sign up to create your account, and within seconds, you're ready to roll. Inside your account, choose New File, and since we're focusing on a voiceover, select the audio option. Pick your preferred language. I'm going with English for this tutorial. Scroll down, name your file, and click Submit. Enter the Magic Create interface, a new feature in Fliki AI. Click the plus icon, and you'll find options for voiceover and start writing. Paste your script, and by default, Sarah is selected as the voice. Let's hear a snippet of her voice.
Success is not merely an endpoint, it's a journey marked by determination, resilience, and continuous growth. It's about embracing challenges, learning from failures, and persistently moving forward.
Sarah's voice is decent, but Fliki AI offers a variety of voices. Let's listen to some.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Fliki helps you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Fliki helped you create audio and video content using lifelike AI voices in less than a minute.
Fliki AI empowers you to create audio and video content with lifelike AI voices in less than a minute. The standard voices are good, and the ultra-realistic ones, available with an account upgrade, are exceptional. Take your time to explore and find the perfect voice that resonates with your content. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, Fliki AI is your key to elevating your voiceovers. If you found this tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more tips. See you next time for another exciting tutorial. Until then, happy exploring!